Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to another one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 4 potential altcoins to buy at the end of September right here. So in the past 24 hours, the market has been making a little bit of uptrend. We are up about 3.31%. We can see our top gainer here up about 25% in the past 24 hours. Highest volume, like usual, is going to be Bitcoin. Right behind it, we have Ethereum as well. So Bitcoin is up about 3.7%, trading around this 42,000 area. Ethereum's up about 3.5%, trading around this 2,900 area. So we're seeing a little bit of a recovery from where we were at just a few hours ago. Cardano's up about 8.5%, Ripple's up 4%, Binance Coin 3%, Solana making a little bit of uptrend with 6.5% in the green, and all these other altcoins are pretty much up with some outliers here like Luna, which we talked about in the previous video, and it is up about 15% or so. So all the altcoins are pretty much green, and obviously then some of them are going to be a little bit in the red as well. That is obviously a normal pattern that we're seeing continuously in the market, as something is always an outlier. So guys, before we get into this video, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get you 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links are in the description for that as well. So let's get into the first altcoin. The first altcoin is going to be Tezos right here. It is XTZ. That is the ticker symbol on this one. This one is exploding pretty much. So this one is up about 20.28% in the past 24 hours. We've never actually covered this coin on our channel. So this one is trading at $7.23 right now. It was under $6 just 24 hours ago. Here on the 1 week chart, we're up at 18% from lows down here at around $4, $4.50. We see the 1 month chart, 82% in the green. On the 1 year chart, 227%. So last September, this was trading at $2. Went up here to highs in May at $8, pulled back down all the way to lows of about $2 again in July. And then from that $2 area, we hit highs up here of over $7. So over about 200 to 300% gains were made on Tezos here in the past, month and a half or so. So this one's performing very well, and it seems like it's going to try to, break through this all-time high that we saw right here around $8. So that's the next level that we're going to be looking forward to. Market cap on this coin, 6.2 billion, volume 2.4 billion right there, which is a lot higher than the previous 24 hours. It was trading at around 1.2 billion. Typical hold time is going to be 57 days on this one. 43% buy, 57% sell activity, and it is ranked the number 21 coin on the list. So this one, Tezos, is a cryptocurrency and decentralized computing platform. Its features include proof of stake consensus, formal verification, and the ability to let stakeholders vote on changes to the protocol. Tezos blockchain or block creation process is called baking. Tezos holders who stake their tokens can receive Tezos tokens as a reward for creating and verifying blocks. So how does this work? Well, voting on the proposed changes and upgrades to the protocol is conducted via the process called baking, in which users lock up XTZ tokens to secure governance rights. This process is a form of proof of stake. Bakers can also earn rewards for submitting proposals that are successfully implemented. So very interesting concept with Tezos right here, and a popular coin that is gaining some traction right now, and we're hoping to hit all-time highs in the next few weeks, hopefully maybe even the next few months, depending on how this coin moves. So this is going to be our first altcoin on the list. The second altcoin is going to be Cosmos, also known as Atom. So this one, old school coin we've talked about in the past. It's up about 9% here in the past 24 hours, trading at around $40 right now. In the past week, we're up 22%. Past month, 108% explosive movement. In the past year, 751%. This one was trading at around $4 last September. We went to highs here in May at $29, pulled back down to lows of about right under $10 at one point in July, and we've made over a 300% gain, so over a 3x here in the past month and a half or so, hitting highs up here at one point at 44.80. So that is the high that we're looking forward to breakthrough, obviously. So market cap on this one, 9 billion, volume past 24 hours at 2.6 billion, typical hold time 34 days, 54% buy, 30 or 46% sell, and is ranked the number 14 coin. Cosmos is a cryptocurrency that powers an ecosystem of blockchains designed to scale and interoperate with each other. The team aims to create an internet of blockchains, a network of blockchains that are able to communicate with each other in a decentralized way. Cosmos is a proof of stake chain. Atom holders can stake their tokens in order to maintain the network and receive more Atom coins. So right here, the main idea of Cosmos is to allow for faster and cheaper decentralized applications, anything from an NFT marketplace to decentralized exchanges, by allowing them to run on their own dedicated blockchains. All of these independent blockchains are interconnected by the Inter-Blockchain Communication Protocol, or IBC. Cosmos also provides developers with pre-built modules that allow them to quickly create blockchains that are completely customizable for their specific use case. So NFT is the keyword right there. So this one is popular because of NFTs as well. Pretty much similar to Solana. As long as the NFT popularity is around, these two coins will continue to pop just like Solana popped as well. So that is something interesting about these ones because other things will benefit them like the NFT world. So that's our second altcoin on the list. Our third altcoin is going to be Chainlink, also known as Link. So this one is up about 3.5% on the past 24 hours. Here, if we take a look in the past week, we're down 18%. Past month, down 11.8%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up 111% or so from $10, hitting highs here of $52 in May, pulled back down to about $13, and then now we're trying to make highs up here, but we're still very far away from that all-time high that we saw in May. So we have over, 100% upside just to get back up there, close to 150% upside actually, which is insane. It would bring this market cap close to 25 billion market cap or so. As right now, we're trading at around a 10.4 billion market cap, 1.2 billion volume right there. Typical hold time on this one is going to be 68 days, 74% buy, 26% sell is the ranked number 10 coin. So Chainlink is an Ethereum token that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows the smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. How does this work? Well, Chainlink was designed to incentivize a global network of computers to provide accurate data to Chainlink's Oracle. There are many oracles operating today, including ones that provide price data across a wide variety range of assets, weather data, and location data. Link is the token used to pay for services on the network and to incentivize nodes to perform verifiably honest work and provide accurate data. In order to become a node and start providing data to Chainlink oracles, holders must stake Link tokens into the smart contract to act as an incentive against misbehaving or submitting false data to the network. So Chainlink, very popular coin obviously on this list. It's one of those coins that is a lot more popular compared to some of the other altcoins that we talk about on this list, but this one is definitely one of those coins that you might be interested in or do some research in the next few years to see how it's going to perform and if it's going to continue to go higher and higher. So our last altcoin, the number 4, is going to be Cardano, ADA, one of the most popular cryptocurrencies out there right now, and one of our favorite on the channel. It is up about 8.5% here in the past 24 hours. We talked about this one in a previous video as well, actually. Trading at $2.36 in the past week, we're pretty much flat. So even with this crypto crash type situation, Cardano is performing very well. We hit lows of 191. Under $2, that was a great buying opportunity. Here on the 1 month chart, we're still down 13% from highs of about $3 up here or a little bit higher. So last year we went from about 10 cents all the way up to highs up here of over $2.30. Pulled back down here in July to about $1, and then from that dollar we went to over $3. So over 200% gains were made right there actually in about a month and a half, which is insane with Cardano. As you guys can see, the market cap is going through the roof right now. So 75.2 billion market cap, 5.4 billion volume. Volume staying pretty much the same here as usual. 66-day typical hold time, 65% buy, 35% sell. Cardano is a blockchain platform built on a proof-of-stake consensus protocol that validates transactions without high energy cost. Now, development on Cardano uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled securities and stability. So right there. How does Cardano work? Well, Cardano's goal is to be the most environmentally sustainable blockchain platform. It uses a unique proof-of-stake consensus mechanism called Outer Bros. As opposed to the energy-intensive proof of a work system currently used by Bitcoin, the Cardano blockchain is also divided into 2 separate layers, the Cardano settlement layer, CSL, and the Cardano computing layer, CCL. The CSL contains the ledger of accurate accounts and balances. The CCL layer is where all the computation for apps running on the blockchain are executed via the operations of smart contracts. So Cardano definitely has a lot of bright things in the future and definitely one of the favorite coins to be watching right now, as well as Ethereum. Those are pretty much our top 2 or 3 coins that we see right now in the marketplace. So those are our 4 altcoins right now, guys. Now, what we're going to do is obviously cover the rest of the market, see how everything is performing. So first of all, Doge. Doge is up about almost 2% here in the past 24 hours, trading at 21 cents. It's actually up about 2.5% now. Market cap 27.3 billion. As we already know, this one is on a downtrend right now from that high of 34 cents that we saw. So we're actually, pretty close to the lows down here that we see in the past few months. So we're going to keep a close eye on Doge. We think it's the end game for Doge, but a lot of you guys still believe in Doge for the long term. I personally do not. Then we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin is up about 3.7%, trading around this 42,000 area. pretty much trading sideways in the past 24 hours. Here in the past 1 week, we're down 10% with lows of around 39,000 or so. So here in the past month, we're down about 11%, and then on the 1-year chart, we're up 296%, hitting those highs, coming back down to 29,000, and hitting highs again of 53,000. Now we're on a little bit of a downtrend. We're hoping for some consolidation and then an uptrend going into the fall and winter. 798.5 billion market cap, which is about 34% of the crypto marketplace. 85 typical hold time, 74% buy, 26% sell. Bitcoin's doing very well still. Ethereum, it is up about 3.5% here, trading around this 2,900 area. In the past week, we're down about 14%. Past month, down 8%. And then on the 1-year chart, we're obviously up over 726%. So we saw lows of 1,700, hit highs of 4,000 at one point, and now we're on a downtrend, obviously down here. Hopefully, we won't go too far. We consolidate right here around this 3,000 area, which we're actually consolidating for a while before that explosive momentum up. So hopefully, we consolidate around this area. 343 billion market cap, which is 14% of the crypto marketplace. 82 typical hold time days. 79% buy, 21% sell on this one. So very interesting to see how the market is going to perform in the near future. Is Bitcoin and Ethereum going to explode over the weekend? That's something we're going to have to watch very closely as well. And how the altcoins are going to perform, in this type of marketplace as well. What's going to happen in the near future with Bitcoin and Ethereum? You guys let me know in the comments below your predictions. Let's see who's going to be right and who's going to be wrong. Are we going to see a crypto bull run, or are we going to start to see a little bit of a bearish and maybe a crypto winter coming up, at the end of this year? So leave a comment below, guys. Smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get you 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links in the description for that as well. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so before investing, speak to your financial advisor. This is all for entertainment purposes. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and understand the risk and reward in investing in the crypto space. Goodbye.